Hello friends, and welcome back to Unbound Learners. My name is Nina. What's your name? It's so nice to meet you. Are you ready to sing our good morning song together? Let's make our arms into a big circle out in front of us like this. Raise that circle up over our heads. Let's give a little stretch from one side. Stretch over to the other side. Bring that circle up and back down like this. And now it's time to sing together. If you know the words, sing along with me. Here we go. Good morning, dear earth. Good morning, dear sun. Good morning, dear rocks and flowers, everyone. Good morning, dear beast and birds in the trees. Good morning to you and good morning to me. Good morning, everyone. I hope that you all are having a wonderful day so far. Let's get started with circle time with our calendar and weather chart behind me. Now, the first thing that we do is begin with the date. And when we say the date, we start off with the month. The month is right up here. Do you know what the month is? February. That's right, friends. The month is February. And today is February 25th. So let's move the chip over from yesterday. Yesterday was February 24th, and today is February 25th, and right up here we have the year. Do you know what the year is? 2021. Okay, friends, let's say the date one more time, all together. Are you ready? Today is February 25th, 2021. And look at this, friends. We're almost done with the month of February. After the month of February, do you know what month will be next? Let's sing a song to help us learn the next month. It goes like this. January, February, March and April, May and June, July and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in the year. So after February will come the month of March. And look at this. We only have 1, 2, 3 more days left until the month of March. All right, friends, it's time to move on to the days of the week. Now, when we sing the song, we hold up 7 fingers like this because we have 7 days in the week. So let's start off with one hand. One hand has 5 fingers, but we need 2 more fingers to make 7. There we go. 7 fingers for the 7 days of the week. If you know the words to this song, will you sing with me? Here we go. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Let's travel back down to the bottom of the chart, right here. Do you remember what the day was yesterday? I'll give you a clue. Yesterday was Wednesday. So that means that today is Thursday. You're right, friends. Today is Thursday. So that means that tomorrow will be Friday. That's right. Tomorrow will be Friday, the last day of the weekday. But let's go back to today. Will you sing Today is Thursday with me? It goes like this. Today is Thursday, today is Thursday, today is Thursday all day long. Today is Thursday, today is Thursday, today is Thursday all day long. Let's travel back up to the top. Right here we have the season. Do you know what the season is? Winter! That's right, friends. It's winter time. Now let's travel back down here to the weather picture. But first, we have to sing the weather song. Will you sing with me? What's the weather? What's the weather? Can you tell? Can you tell? Is the sun shining? Is the rain falling? Can you tell? Can you tell? Friends, do you see my picture right here on my weather chart? It's a picture of the clouds. When I look outside, the color of the sky matches the color of the ground. The color of the sky is gray and white with the clouds, and the color of the ground is white because of the snow. It's a cloudy day where I live. And look at this, friends. The temperature chart changed again. Yesterday, it was cool, but today it's another cold day where I live. What's the weather like where you live, friends? Look outside your window and let me know what you see. Thanks for sharing the weather with me. Are you ready to move on to the letter of the week? This week, we have been talking about this letter. Now, this letter makes two sounds. Usually, it makes this sound. G, g, g. Will you make that sound with me on the count of 3? 1, 2, 3. G, g, g. Now, occasionally, this letter will make another sound that sounds like this. J, j, j. Can you make that sound? J, j, j. And do you know what letter this is? G. That's right, friends. This is the letter G, and this is a lowercase g. Are you ready to guess what's inside of the letter box today? Let's see. So inside of this box, I have something that starts with the letter G, G, G. And if you think you know what it is, you can take a guess. Are you ready for your first clue, friends? So this is something that you wear on your face, specifically your eyes, to help you see better. Do you know what it is? I'll take it out. Do you see what I have? Glasses. These are glasses, and I have trouble seeing things that are far away, so when I'm not wearing my contact lenses like I am today, I'll put on my glasses and they help me see things that are far away. Glasses start with the letter G, G, G. We also have a number to talk about today. Do you remember what the number of the week is? 12. That's right, friends. This is the number 12. And 12 is a double-digit number because when you write the number 12, first you write this number. What number is this? 1. And after the number 1, you write the number 2. When you write the number 12, you write the number 1, then 2. The number 12. Now it's time to count 12 tally marks. I'm going to write the tally marks at the bottom of the chalkboard, and you can count them with me. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 tally marks. Now let's see. I wonder what's inside of the number box today. We have to count something. I have 12 pine branches. Will you count them with me? I'll line them up at the top so you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and one more makes 12. 12 pine branches. When you're cooking, do you ever follow a recipe? What is a recipe? A recipe is a list of the ingredients and the instructions that you'll need when you're cooking something. So I have a recipe right here. I'm going to read it to you. Let's see. For this recipe, it's called a rainbow recipe. And it says that I'm going to need a cup of red water, a cup of green water, a cup of blue water, a cup of yellow water, and a cup of purple water. So let's see. Let's go over the ingredients and let's make sure that I have everything. So I have a cup of red water, I have a cup of blue water and yellow water, but it looks like I'm missing a cup of green water and a cup of purple water. I wonder if I can use some of these ingredients and mix them together to make one of the ingredients that I'm missing. Should I try that? I wonder if I can mix two of these colors to make purple. Let's try some red water and some of the blue water. I'm going to use this tool called a whisk, and I'm going to mix those colors together. And look I made purple, but I'm still missing one more ingredient. I'm missing a cup of green water. Do you have any guesses as to what two colors I can mix together to make green? Blue. Let's start off with blue. What color should I mix with blue to make green? Yellow. Let's try mixing yellow. I'm going to use my whisk and mix, mix, mix. And look at this, friends. We made green. So let's go over the recipe one more time and let's make sure that we have all of our ingredients. Let's see. A cup of red, a cup of blue, a cup of yellow, a cup of purple, and the last ingredient is a cup of green. Thanks for following the recipe with me, friends. Are you ready to see your work for the day? Let's go. For today's work, you will need a large mixing bowl, a spoon for mixing, a butter knife, some measuring cups, and some measuring spoons, as well as a variety of dry ingredients. So I'm using flour, but you can also use salt or baking soda or sugar or baking powder. It's totally up to you. Today we're going to practice our mixing skills. So the first thing to do is take a measuring cup and get a scoop of whatever ingredient you're using. So like I said, I have flour. Now before I pour this flour into the bowl, I need to level it off. So as you can see, this flour is kind of overflowing the cup. It's not even on the top. So in order to do that, you're going to take your butter knife and you're just going to scrape the butter knife across the top like this. So scrape it up and back, and look at that. Now the top is nice and even and the flour is right inside of the cup like this. So once you've leveled it off, you're going to pour it into the mixing bowl and give a little tap, tap, tap. Make sure all the flour is out. Now let's do the same thing with the other cup of flour. So look at this. The flour is all bumpy on the top. It's not even and smooth. So we're going to level it off. Take the butter knife and you're going to scrape up and back. There you go. Now this cup is ready to get poured in with the other cup. Tap, 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 tap. Now you can also add some spoonfuls. This is a teaspoon right here, but this also needs to be leveled off. Scrape down and up, and tap, tap, tap. And now we're ready to mix. So we have all the flour inside of the bowl. You're going to take your spoon, and when you are mixing, you're going to take your hand and hold the top of the spoon handle right up here. The bottom part, this goes into the bowl, and you're going to go around and around. So you're mixing with one hand, and with the other hand, you hold the bowl steady. Mix around and around. You want to make sure that that spoon stays inside of the bowl, and you're going around in nice, slow motion like this. Mix, make sure that all the ingredients are mixed up. If some of the ingredients starts moving up the side of the bowl, you can scrape it down like this. Mix and mix. Let's get back to circle time. Welcome back to Circle Time, friends. So I decided to stick with dry ingredients today, but maybe you'll mix other ingredients, or maybe you'll even follow a recipe. But just remember to use slow circular motions like this when you're mixing the ingredients all together. Can you practice mixing with me? Mix, 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 around and around slowly. Mix together all the ingredients. Thanks for learning with me today, friends. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and find me on outschool.com for my live and interactive classes. You can also support this channel and get bonus features for your child by checking out my Patreon page, also listed in the link below. Before we go, we have one last song to sing. Can you wave goodbye like this? Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. Goodbye, friends. I'll see you next time. Have a great day, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow.